How to get free unlimited storage on Google Drive. This is a step-by-step video, so you should be able to follow easily. Now if you're like me who's using Google Drive a lot, and as you can see, my Google Drive is almost full, so I need to go ahead and avail one of their subscription. But there is a way on how you can go ahead and get a lot more drive for free. If you go ahead and click on the storage, you can now go ahead and see that we have only 15 gigabytes of data here on our drive. Now to get more space on our drive, we have to go ahead and type for Google Gemini Advanced. Now from here, you want to click on the first option, which is one.google.com. And from here, as you can go ahead and see, you can get Gemini for free on 1 month. And if you scroll down right here, this also includes Google One subscription and a 2 terabyte of storage. So you can just go ahead and get the Google Gemini Advanced subscription for free for 1 month. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.